The project for this afternoon, I'm working on the crank arm of the Henery Ford engine. What I've got to do is drill a 1-inch hole in this crank arm. I've got this side done already, and this is going to be a 1/2 inch radius here to start forming the crank arm. I'm using a closing mill to do the drilling, so we'll get started here. I'll start out with a center drill. I've already got everything laid out and center punched, so I'll use this center drill to start the hole. Then we'll gradually work up to 1 inch. A drill is about the quickest way, or it is the quickest way to remove material. This stock is a 1/2 inch thick. This is a 1/4 inch drill here for the next step up. The next step up will be 1/2 inch. I'll have to lower the table a little bit here to get enough clearance to get my bit in there. This is a closing model 8530 milling machine. Well, this one will go a little harder. I keep backing the drill bit off to break that chip so we don't have that real long curly chip to sweep up. There's 1/2 inch. Now I'm going to jump right up to the 1 inch hole. The machine seemed to take it okay. If I feed a little bit too fast, this is a step down shank 1 inch drill. If I feed too fast, I have a little trouble with the drive belt slipping. This bit's running plenty fast for that large a hole. But it doesn't seem to be overheating, so we'll proceed. And there we go. We got two 1-inch holes through that stock. Another issue with that belt slipping or the bit wanting to jam with this particular layout, I'm right to the edge of the material. You can see I'm just cutting to the edge there, the same way on this side. I've got my layout lines there scribed here. Probably can't see them now, but I'll remove the rest of this material on a bandsaw and then use a belt sander to smooth it up. That's how I did this edge here. I roughed it out with a bandsaw and then put it on a belt sander and smoothed up this edge. Eventually this is going to be the crank arm for the Replica Henry Ford's engine.